Baby. Alright, this is a video, the general weekly roundup, you could call this one, for the stock market. This is stocks only. If you're not interested in stocks, I'm sorry. I'm a stock guy. You know how I do it out here. And a lot can be learned from analyzing different types of markets. I'm going to take you through this is how I do basically a broader analyzation. This is something that could be used for beginners. This could be used for someone who's just interested in other markets. So hopefully this can help. I have my charts set up. This is how every morning when I wake up, I kind of do this deal. You know, you start with the dollar. We know that thing's been a beast. And this is some general shit right here. A general market outlook. I might just do this every couple weeks. Only daily charts here, nothing else. We're going to be looking at no order blocks, just price action, a 200 ribbon, EMA, MA, I don't give a fuck, Jack. If you have a ribbon, just what you want to see is, does it have any correlation? And it's holding it there. Yeah. So to discount this ribbon, you'd have to be a fucking asshole, truly. And here we go. So here's you got the dollar, and we have room to go down. One thing, if I'm just looking, like let's say I was in a coma, I just come back. This is all I would do. I mean, this is as basic as it gets. Market on the 50. Every daily RSI market on the 50. Okay, it's in the middle. So there's one. Dollar is range bound. On to the next one. But dollar is not range bound, for God's sakes. It's neither overbought nor oversold. That's fair. That's fair to say. You can go on and on about what's going to happen. Boy Honeycomb says it's going down to 99. God's sakes, I got to believe the guy. He called the whole stock market rally from day one. Shout out to Honeycomb. Legend. Let's look at oil. You know I had a video on oil. Go check that out. Again, mark the goddamn 50 on the RSI. 50.8, 50.6, doesn't matter. Oh, what do you know? Neither overbought nor oversold. Fair point. And that would make sense, because when the dollar makes up its mind to become either overbought or oversold, this should likely do, the inverse of that. So, let's go. There's other factors that come into play. Domestic production, yada, yada, yada. You know the story with this RSI setup. Go check out the video. Great video. Fucking hilarious as well, in my opinion. Trend line. That's what I'm going to draw. This is gold. Oh, my God. My neck is getting more expensive by the fucking second. Okay? Yeah, this is a breakout. But you always... I'm pretty sure I covered this a while back. I mean, obviously, I was watching it. I watch gold every day when I touch myself. So... I mean, a lot of people don't encourage a measured move on the RSI. I truly don't give a shit. I don't. I've done it. And man, I'm not going to sit here and tell you I'm a fucking genius, but I don't generally get surprised by massive market moves. I've had a fucking terrible time playing upside just because I'm heavily invested. I don't hold cash. I'm not a cash guy. I have bands in the fucking savings that I'm not touching them, and they're there. And that was a goal that I achieved, and now it's time to move on, bitch. So, we're good. We're straight. But I ain't holding no cash. You see the bank runs? Fuck them. There goes my chance of getting monetized once again. Gold, big breakout, monster. The old geriatrics are jumping out of their fucking rocking chairs on their front porch, getting scammed by QVC to buy another commemorative coin. 9/11. Tough one. Oh, there we go. So, yeah, 6%. Wow, what a fucking, that's good. That's great. But as far as physical is concerned, I will say one thing about a 6% move. Now, obviously, 6%, let's just say you're buying $1,000, 6%, what's that? $1,060, nothing. Extra tax on that, $6, nothing. Now, if you're spending 10 bands, now you gotta understand the premiums are also gonna go up. So let's just say if it went up 16%, the total price... maybe we'll say went up 12%. Now you spend 10 bands. Taxes alone. Ah, fuck. The increase. I don't fucking know, dude. The goddamn taxes. Taxes and premiums. So if the price goes up, and then you also got to pay those taxes, and you got to pay those premiums, that's when you're just like, fuck that, man. And you never end up getting any gold exposure. Your kid never gets to cash it in for crack. You know the story. Go back and watch my video about purchasing physical gold. Now, on to silver. Same fucking idea. And I wanted to show you guys this on gold. Is I like to see a retest down here off of these big boy patterns. I like to see a retest, which is why I think there will be one more good buying opportunity for silver and gold. If there's not, good fuck. I mean, that's just sad if there's not another good chance. What a breakout. It crushed all my targets. S&P, I'm here. I'm a stand-up guy, I'll tell you. I had resistance. But you got to set a stop loss. I mean, it doesn't mean I'm a fucking moron. Did I neglect my trades? Of course I did. But, I mean, I never suggested you guys do that. So, yeah. Fuck, man. What a breakout. This bitch is now heading, and I hate to say it, and it's truly shocking, because I'm seeing all these people say, oh, well, you know, the bottom is in. That's fine. That's fine. But you're also buying something that is now 25. We're approaching the 30th percentile of overbought. From here to here. What is the fucking number? Oh, yeah. 20th percentile overbought. Well, fuck, man. I fudged that number. I'm cherry picking at this point. Let's call it 30. There was 70% of the time where it was a better buy. That's all I'm here to tell you. Yeah. Shit. 75% of the time it's a better buy than it is now. So I just can't help but think that there's going to at least be a goddamn pullback. Oh, boy. Here we go. On to real estate. God's sakes. I don't want to talk about it. I'm going to get fucked on my trade that I'm fucking currently running right now. It's about to blow through this ribbon. No sign of fucking stopping. I was hoping for a little pullback. God's sakes. At least struggle when you hit the goddamn ribbon, buddy. No. Look at Apple. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about. Apple. Oh! Oh! Every day when this goes up, I fucking move this, you know, just to make myself seem No, I'm kidding. I actually haven't touched that, but goddamn, here we are. I'm not betting against it. Why? Because the RSI is not even showing a sign of stopping. That's a new high. New high. Holy shit. I mean, this is the only... When I see something like this, man, if I don't know. This bitch has fundamentals. Oh, maybe. You know, looking for something like I got nothing for you, man. That's why I've always said you gotta have that Acorns account rolling. S&P, highest goddamn holding is Apple. You would have been taken care of. That hurts though. You gotta know that hurts. That's a run of a goddamn century. The price? I don't want to get offended, but I'm gonna look at it. Yeah, back in the channel. It hurts. Truly hurts. I did not think there was a shot in hell that it would just fly through the ribbon and that channel. This was a tremendous setup. I mean, God, I guess that's called liquidity, right, folks? Every dummy in the planet must have been shorting it right here. But that's how the game goes, and if you're not prepared to handle that, well, you need more practice, and you need to have thicker skin and roll with the goddamn punches a little bit better. But, you know, hey, you wouldn't have made any money watching my goddamn videos. Well, I mean, hey, I called the bottom on Apple. I hate to be the one to tell you. I just sold it too early. I sold it too early, and that's all about risk and reward, folks. And you can look back, and you can cry, and you can smack your ass and call yourself Jimmy, but this is a game, bitch. And if you don't enjoy playing the game, well, that's fine. Just maybe don't do it. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I'll bet on a UFC fight when I'm hammered and lose 200 and have a good time. I'm a degenerate. It's fun. If you're not enjoying this shit, man, you're over leveraged. You didn't save your bands up before you started. You didn't pull your initial. I'm sorry. I guess that's my fucking problem, man. I'm taking my own beating over here. I don't want to hear anyone else complaining. I'm sorry. You know what I mean? Bandemic has you on the trades. I can't say it enough. Honeycomb, Bandemic, they're better. I'm giving you outlook here, for Christ's sakes. Now, AMD, I see another high. Another high. Unbelievable, son. Go back and watch my AMD setup. I don't know what my target was at. This was like one of my higher targets, but Christ's sakes, the Russell. Oh, it's offensive. This is a parabolic rally. This is a goddamn parabolic rally, folks. You put this on a log chart, it's linear. And now, you guys, a curve isn't the same thing as like a parabolic function, but maybe it defaults to that, but for God's sakes, don't just draw a spline and come talk to me about how it's a parabolic fucking equation. Okay? Please. Please. Okay? It could have a parabolic shape. It could appear parabolic, but, you know, it's not the same goddamn thing. You could make a curve look however you want. That's not actually how like a true parabolic fucking curve works. But we'll just go with this. What you're going to want to see is a break of this parabola. That's the only thing stopping this hoe. And then with the fucking steam that it's built up, I would expect the RSI to hit 78. Enough of that. ARK Invest. Oh, ARK Invest is kind of staggering. I guess the earnings are going to crush it. I don't know. There must just be some terrible earnings that are come out. There's a video I had about ARK Invest. I'm waiting for it to hit this goddamn green line. I think it happens when we hit 56. This shit is unbelievable. 54, 56. It's going to snap that ribbon, bitch. Oh, how offensive has this run been? How offensive. And then we got the Westwater Resources. I'll maybe make a new video about that, but this is a growth stock. This is a speculative energy stock. A speculative mining stock. It runs... Oh! Yeah, that bitch isn't at the top. I'll tell you that much. So, that's the market roundup. I would be bullish. I don't see a reason to get bearish. It would take a news event. You're starting to see the real estate market is the weakest thing I see. The 4 hour, you have some fucking action going on here with the bearish divergence, but I'm not going to get into it. I've told you guys, these things are breaking these 4 hour bearish divergence. I'm a degenerate. I got to play it. But there you go, folks. It bounced off that bastard, and it's heading up with full steam ahead. I have my stop loss at this old high. It's going to get hit. It's going to get fucking hit, isn't it? Oh, my God. This is the most offensive fucking bull rally that has maybe ever existed. And that's okay. It makes you a better man in the end. Don't get fucking sad about it. Go play fucking checkers. I don't know. You can't handle the heat. Get out. You take a loss. You admit it. You look in the mirror. And you say, what did I do wrong? And in this case, I underestimated the 4 hour bearish divergence. It broke right through them. It snapped through the ribbons on the 4 hour charts. These stocks are stronger than crypto generally is. That's fair enough, dude. Crypto's not fucking as strong as the Russell, and that hurts and say, and we're all disappointed. But this is just, a little update here. Unk says bullish. Shit, I'm seeing bull. I maybe enjoy the gains. You have a whole little, you have your holding stack. If it hits a number that surprises you, that shocks you, that is offensive to you, that you could use the money to do something great with your life, then I'd recommend take some profits. If not, let that big bastard ride and maybe throw a short out later. But for right now, I'm not seeing it. I'm ET. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're still listening. God bless you. I am out.